Does insurance cover hypoglossal nerve stimulation? If you are considering hypoglossal nerve stimulation for sleep apnea, you might be wondering if your insurance will cover this treatment. Let's break down the details to help you understand what to expect. Hypoglossal nerve stimulation is a surgical option for obstructive sleep apnea, which is a condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. This treatment involves implanting a device that stimulates the hypoglossal nerve, helping to move the tongue forward and keep the airway open. Insurance coverage for this procedure can vary widely based on several factors. First, it often depends on the specific insurance provider and their policies. Some plans, including certain Medicare and Medicaid programs, may cover hypoglossal nerve stimulation if you meet specific medical criteria. To qualify for coverage, you typically need a diagnosis of moderate to severe obstructive sleep apnea confirmed by a sleep study. If you have already tried positive airway pressure therapy and found it intolerable or ineffective, that can also support your case for coverage. Most insurers requiring you to be at least 18 years old and have a body mass index below a certain level, often less than 35 kilograms per square meter. Additional evaluations, like drug-induced sleep endoscopy, may also be necessary to confirm that you are a suitable candidate for the implant. Before proceeding, it is essential to obtain prior authorization from your insurance company. This process usually involves submitting detailed medical documentation that demonstrates your eligibility based on the criteria mentioned. However, keep in mind that even with proper documentation, coverage is not guaranteed. Sometimes, claims can be denied, which may disproportionately affect certain groups of patients. There is no uniform national coverage determination for hypoglossal nerve stimulation by Medicare. Instead, local Medicare carriers and private insurers make decisions based on medical necessity and their specific policy guidelines. Some insurers even publish clinical policies that outline what is required for coverage and the necessary procedural codes for billing. If you are considering hypoglossal nerve stimulation, it is a good idea to verify your insurance benefits early in the process. Work closely with your healthcare provider and your insurance company to ensure that you have all the necessary information and documentation to support your case. Given the effectiveness of hypoglossal nerve stimulation in reducing apnea events and improving sleep quality, understanding your insurance coverage is vital for accessing this innovative treatment option.